Hi, I'm Albert. I'm going to show you how to get up and running with Stable Diffusion in Jupyter Notebooks using Anaconda. For this, I've created a sample project and uploaded to anaconda.org, and we'll use the Anaconda Project command line tool to download, extract, set up, and run our notebook. And so you can use this directly from your Anaconda prompt in Mac, Linux, and Windows. All you need to do is download the Anaconda distribution. So here in my terminal, the tool I'm going to use is called Anaconda Project, and just make sure that I've got the 0.11 version. I'm going to download and extract this project to my desktop, so I'm going to CD over there first. And then I can run Anaconda Project, download, my username, Stable Diffusion CPU. That's the project we're going to get from anaconda.org. Okay, now the directory is extracted. We see here that it contains a notebook and some helpful specification files for my project that declare the packages that need to be installed first. So in the Stable Diffusion CPU directory, we're just going to run Anaconda Project run, and that'll do all the work for us. Again, this works on Mac, Linux, and Windows without any change. And this will take just a minute. Okay. So at this point, all the packages I need are installed and they're ready to go, and I can launch the notebook. So to begin, we need to download the Stable Diffusion diffuser model from Hugging Face. And so this first cell will take a little while to run so that it downloads around 5 gigabytes of data. All right, the model is finished downloading, and this is saved to my hard drive, so when I come back and run this notebook again, it won't download again from scratch. Now we can run the Stable Diffusion, and here we've set up a simple prompt, and let's ask it to make holiday cookies with green snake frosting. Since Stable Diffusion is running on my CPU, it generally takes around 5 to 10 minutes for the image to complete. All right, so the image has now been created, and provided that it is safe for work, we'll display it here in the notebook. And I got what I asked for, holiday cookies with a green snake.